Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable keep screen on the Huawei Band 10. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now to enable keep screen on, just swipe down and tap on the band icon. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled keep screen on. Now to disable keep screen on, just tap on the band icon and disable keep screen on. Now if you want to increase the keep screen on time, just press on the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10 and open the app drawer. Then go to settings and from here just tap on display and brightness. And at the bottom of the list, you will find screen on. Just tap on it. And from here, you can increase or decrease the keep screen on time. Just like that. And this is how you can enable and disable keep screen on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.